Yo, word up, guys! Everybody, listen up now! You never guess what happened to me today. Yo, this is like totally exciting. You would never expect this to happen to anybody. There's just nothing you're going to be prepared for here. You cannot prepare yourself for this. Keep watching to find out what happened to me, yo. There you go. That's how you make the interesting bit at the beginning. So today has been mainly washing cars, which was interesting. So my mum and dad came round with the usual ham salad sandwich, and then I decided that I was going to wash the cars. I asked my dad to bring the pressure washer over so I could do the snow foamy thing on Henrietta, which I'll show you in a bit. But yeah, we ended up just washing cars. Have you ever had one of them days when you just end up washing cars? I mean, there's like 4 of the blooming things. I did Margaret first, but I didn't really wash her because she went really mucky. I mean, just blasted her off basically. That front caliper's sticking a bit again. Tray annoying, so I'll take that off and work that piston a bit more. And I'm sure I've got some piston grease somewhere. So we'll have another go at that in a bit. It's still drivable. It's not like super stuck. Yeah, I mean she's still moving now, but it's just not super thing. But anyway, I'll show you what else we've been doing. So I'll show you Henrietta. Now she's had a wash. So not super clean because there's still loads of bits, but we can go around and see which panels need work still. So this panel, this one's not bad. There's a bit of muck on it, and that bottom bit there, that's not too bad. This door's got a scuff on it there. This door isn't too bad. Might be some bits at the bottom that need doing. That wing is alright. The bonnet's got some bits stuck on it. There you go, they're in the paint. So there's bits that need paint correction. Obviously the bumper's got a big chunk out of it and a grille bit missing, and it needs a new spotlight in there. This wing, when it's dry, you can see loads of scuffs. I don't know whether you can, they're like that, but they look worse in real life, and they're all over that. So there's loads of bits of tar stuck in paint, some scuffs on that door as well. Some scrapes down there, and obviously that wheel arch needs sorting out, but I'll get round to that soon. That back quarter's not bad. That bumper got a big chunk out of it, so I'll be rubbing that back and painting it on there. What else have we got? Yeah, rear bumper's got bits missing out of it and scrapes, so that needs doing. I've got a badge for here. It cost me 20 quid. 20 quid for a badge. What else have we got? Oh, we've got a chunk out of there that lets water in, so we could do a new one of them. And then the roof's the worst. Well, not the worst, but you can see it's got. They can pick them up on camera. Loads of these little bits that are stuck in the paint, so it might be a case of flattening it all off. To be honest, I'll probably just flatten it all down and give it a good buffing, but once I've got bits sorted on it, so that wheel arch and stuff like that. And then wheels, yeah, she's locked. So yeah, that's Henrietta. I mean, she would give her a proper. Oh, look how clean it is in between them letters now. Which I'm going to take off anyway. Cool. Oh, and I've got more stickers for the sticker window, so I should do them. Here we are, new additions to the sticker window. So I've got this one, just a little alien head, and then this one is Star Wars thingamajig. So yeah, there we go. Only got this amount now to fill. Oh, actually. Nah, I'll wait. Right, so there we go. That's about it for today. Nice clean Margaret. Not really much news on that. Bikey not being out today. Henrietta washed, and the Honda washed as well. Cool. I'd like to be totally crazy, man. So thanks for watching this video. Give it a subscribe and a likey and a commentify thing. Tell me what you think about the stuff that we've been talking about today. Because you are what make me do the thing with the funny YouTubes, man. It's so exciting being a YouTube man. It is. Ta-ra.